Hello and welcome back to Cricket Next. My name is Rahul Sridhu and I am right now in Mumbai, and here there is a selection committee meeting which was taken place in Mumbai और आज उसका ही अनाउंसमेंट है जहां पर अजीत आगरकर चेयरमैन ऑफ सिलेक्शन कमिटी ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम एंड कैप्टन रोहित शर्मा इज गोइंग टू टेक द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। वो प्रेसर्स जर्नलिस्ट से बात करेंगे और रिवील करेंगे चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी की टीम। चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस नेक्स्ट मंथ एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हियर इज they are going to reveal the Champions Trophy team which was slated supposed to be revealed on 12th but एक extension लेकर BCCI ने एक extra permission लेकर आज रिवील करने का फैसला किया है। तो there are chances, obviously the obvious right now here is Rohit Sharma, since he is going to be the part of the press conference which he is going to address with Ajit Agarkar. That means he is going to lead the team. Doesn't matter if he has suffered back-to-back test failures, but ये तो guaranteed था कि यार ODI क्रिकेट में वो कप्तान बने रहेंगे और फाइनल तक 2023 के वर्ल्ड कप में पहुंचाए थे। उसके बाद T20 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल जीते थे। टेस्ट में शायद खराब रहा है प्रदर्शन या परफॉर्मेंसेस डिलीवर नहीं कर पाए एज अ बैटर एज अ कैप्टन, बट डेफिनेटली इज गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू एज कैप्टन फॉर द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी। और लाइकली है यशस्वी जायसवाल का आना। द ओपनर हैज बीन क्वाइट इंप्रेसिव, ही इज डन वेरी वेल in the test format and he showed his great gumption and guts and bravado in the IPL format as well. विजय हजारे ने भी पास्ट में परफॉर्मेंसेस करते हुए नजर आए हैं, तो यशस्वी जायसवाल का नाम आ रहा है। He could be the third opener along with Rohit Sharma opening the innings with Shubman Gill. तीसरा Shubman Gill will be part of it. Definitely he's a talented guy and somebody who's been looked after, somebody who's been the guy who's BCCI, the selectors have bet on for the future. Shubman Gill could be the part of squad. Virat Kohli definitely. There may be questions about Virat Kohli that regarding his form in the last few years, but definitely he'll be the part of this particular Champions Trophy squad and maybe possibly 2027. But then you look at his record in 2023 World Cup. Definitely he was one of the top batters for India and he won the player of the tournament in that particular World Cup edition which was held in India. So he is going to be the part of it. But कुछ नाम ऐसे हैं जो obviously surprising नहीं रहेंगे, जो आ सकते हैं। हार्दिक पांड्या, ऋषभ पंत। हार्दिक पांड्या definitely is going to be around. ऋषभ पंत का एक सवाल आ रहा है, but there are chances that he might get a chance to play in the Champions Trophy. Looking at his test record, looking at his comeback, the way he's bounced back from that major accident, definitely he's could be one of the factors along with KL Rahul. KL Rahul is looked up as the first keeper when it comes to wicket keeper when it comes to ODI cricket. But yeah, ऋषभ पंत could also be the part because आपको आजू बाजू में नजर नहीं आ रहा है। शायद संजू सैमसन का नाम डिस्कस हुआ रहेगा, but it couldn't be. It is not official right now, but there are chances that Rishabh Pant might go. Shreyas Iyer is another noticeable name that could come in play right now. That could come in the list because he had a wonderful Vijay Hazare Trophy ever since he was dropped from that contract of BCCI. He's been in a roaring form. Apart from being the captain of IPL team KKR that won the IPL, apart from that he's done very well in Vijay Hazare. Before that T20 cricket, that is Syed Mushtaq Ali. So there are chances that he might be back in the ODI setup, and that is what Team India needs right now. A solid, strong middle order batter, somebody who can be the backbone of Indian cricket टीम एंड दैट इज श्रेयस अय्यर। तो पॉसिबिलिटी उनका है। जसप्रीत बुमराह का यहाँ पर नाम नजर आ रहा है, लोग स्पेकुलेट कर रहे हैं कि यार जसप्रीत बुमराह, बट अभी भी उनका अपडेट शायद आज पता चल जाए whether he'll be available for the initial games or the later part of the game. That is something because he's been struggling with injury, not injury exactly, but he's been asked to take some bed rest. He did not play, did not bowl in the last innings of the last test match in Australia. तो क्लियर हो जाएगा आज जसप्रीत बुमराह के बारे में कि whether he'll be part of the squad or no, but there are chances that he could be possibly in the later stage of the game. शायद वो ब्रैकेट में आता है, सब्जेक्ट टू फिटनेस वाला आ जाएगा फैक्टर जसप्रीत बुमराह को लेकर। मोहम्मद सिराज कुड बी वन ऑफ द गारंटीड गाय। अर्शदीप सिंह lot of talk has been around Arshdeep Singh. He could be part of it, the left-hander, left-hand seamer that Indian cricket needs right now, and he's the one who can be one of the most important guys out there in that particular 15. अगर हम बात करें कुलदीप यादव, there are many other spinners. Kuldeep Yadav's name is coming up. Then there are of course Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel. Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel. A lot of people are saying Akshar Patel should be given a go ahead. Also, he has been named as vice captain in the Indian team recently, other than Surya Kumar Yadav. So that is something very interesting to see whether Akshar Patel can make it to the squad or whether he'll be in the standbys. Mohammad Shami could be one of the guys that was talked about. He's there of the part of the T20 series against England. But क्या वो 15 के स्क्वाड में रह पाएंगे, क्वालिफाई कर पाएंगे? इंजरी रही है उनकी हिस्ट्री रिसेंट टाइम्स में, बट इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा कि वो उनको जगह दी जाएगी या फिर से रखा जाएगा जसप्रीत बुमराह के जैसा सब्जेक्ट टू फिटनेस के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो ध्रुव जुरेल कुड बी अनदर गाय अगर केएल राहुल नहीं रहेंगे तो देयर आर मेनी गाइज स्टैंड बाइज में अगर बात करें सी वन अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस सिलेक्शन कुड बी द नेम ऑफ करुण नायर which should have been discussed, which should be discussed and which should be included according to me personally. I don't know what do you think, you can put it down in the comment box, but Karun Nair is somebody who deserves right now. अगर आप उनको रिवॉर्ड जिस तरह से उन्होंने 752 रन बनाए हैं 5 सेंचुरीज के साथ 7 इनिंग्स में, दैट इज समथिंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी राइट. सो ही शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी स्क्वाड. ही अपने डेब्यू और आखिरी टेस्ट में ही 300 रन मारे थे उन्होंने. तो उस हिसाब से अगर देखिए करंट फॉर्म पे तो इंडिया नीड्स गुड बैटिंग. क्या उनकी जगह बन पाएगी? ऑल्दो इट्स अ पैक्ड middle order, it's a packed batting order, there are no questions related to India's batting in ODI, but Karun Nair, whether he deserves a place or no, that is something that will be seen, that will be revealed in the press conference. But for now I believe somewhere or the other Karun Nair should be rewarded for his performances, for his consistency and for the way he came back to cricket, the way he bounced back and showed his form and his dedication towards the game, towards his passion, the way he scored those runs. So I believe this is something that will be debatable right now. Karun Nair is something, but जगह बनानी पड़ेगी. क्या जगह हो पाएगी? क्या उनको रिजर्व में रखा जाएगा? क्या उनको स्क्वाड में रखा जाएगा? स्क्वाड में अगर आपको रिजर्व में रखेंगे so that will be something like reserves are meant for youngsters to get the feel and other things, but Karun Nair for definitely future. He's done in England, he's done something great in England recently, county season he was dominating it. He could be the part of England, India's to England, but for now whatever he did in Vijay Hazare Trophy, he deserves to be there. But if he doesn't qualify, that will be an injustice to his consistency. But again, selectors भी एक हद तक मजबूर हो जाते हैं, considering you have to pick a 15-member squad और उसमें से आप कितनों को pick करेंगे. India needs a good middle order, India needs a good batting lineup. They have a good batting lineup, a good middle order, but it's the bowling that a lot of people are concerned about. So bowling is something that I'll be looking forward to. Although most of the batting में आपको सब पता चल गया है कि कौन रह सकता है कौन नहीं. Most of them are obvious choices. Bowling is something that I'm concerned, and especially when we are playing in Dubai on slower tracks. So that was it. I'm heading towards the BCCI Cricket Selection Committee meeting. In fact, they are going to address the media after that. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they pick Karun Nair or no. A lot of things are going to be spoken about after the press conference. क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट में हम ज़रूर रहेंगे, लाइव रहेंगे, जुड़ जाइएगा हमारे साथ और हम ज़रूर डिस्कस करेंगे इस पे. अभी के लिए चलता हूँ मैं BCCI क्रिकेट सेंटर, वहीं मिलते हैं आपको. गुड बाय फॉर नाउ.